Focal length of convex lens. So the formula for the focal length of the convex lens is 1 by f is equal to 1 by b minus 1 by u, where f is a focal length of the convex lens and v is a distance between the image and the lens, that is called as image distance, and u is the distance between object and the lens, that is called as object distance. So u is a object distance, v is a image distance, f is a focal length of the convex lens. So if you take the LCM and taking the reciprocal, we get the formula focal length of the convex lens f is equal to u v by u minus v centimeter. So the focal length is in centimeter, so we can write the focal length of the convex lens is equal to u into v by u minus v. Now we are going to calculate the focal length of the convex lens. Before that, we should find the rough focal length. So this is the convex lens which is mounted on the lens stand. So I take the screen. So the lens is focused to distance object. So I will show the distance object. There is a windows, tree and everything. So let us see that light will falls on this lens, then the image will be formed here. So we can able to see the clear image. So what I hope that you are able to see this clear image. So there is a circle, there is a wheel-like structure is there. That wheel-like structure is a object, that means which is shown, the distance object. So that is near the door, there is a tree and the small wheel-like structure is there. That will be focused by this convex lens. That ray, the distance object ray is a parallel ray. When the parallel beam of rays falls on the lens, it will be converged at focus point. That this is a clear image. So I hope that by adjusting this, by adjusting the screen and the lens. So I am going to adjust the screen and the lens. Either you can fix the lens stand or you can fix the screen stand. Generally we can fix the lens stand, just we will adjust the screen. If you adjust the screen, we will get a clear image of this distance object on the screen. So I will just show you. If I move backwards, the image is not clear. If I move frontwards, the image is not clear. At a certain distance, this is a clear image. So this is a procedure to find the rough focal length of the given convex lens. So what is the distance? We can measure the distance between the screen and the lens is called as a focal length of the given convex lens. The screen is kept at exactly 0 and the lens. So the lens stand is hold here. The lens stand is hold here. So I will mark this is a center point. So this center point is exactly coincided with 20.5. So that is the given lens focal length is roughly around 20.5 centimeter. So this is the first step for this experiment.